above the sky. Above the sky, the footing of the iron bar. Look. Tomorrow he pull it. That cement. 2 cement. Use. Anong? 2 cement. Tomorrow he put 1 cement again. Oh, look. The iron bar. Oh. Above the sky. It's okay. Tomorrow, I mean to say, he work another like that. He doing like that tomorrow. One footing finish, and tomorrow again one iron bar footing, and make a dip like that. This is the first footing that iron bar, and second is this.
Kaya kabilis na yung kain, no?
Amo.
Yung pakabilis
Ay,
na
one.
kain mo naman 19 dyan.
This is a first footing. The second here. The second footing, that iron bar. And then that one, the last here. That one here at the back. And that one. We have a four post footing.
I waste 2 years.
4 post footing, 4 pieces iron bar, 4 footing. There. 1, 2, 3,
Ini kanya sarani.
4. And then that material order is need to use here. We put plywood, and then he put a cement inside like that. After we finish this surrounding, we do after finish this room. She said, Jerwin, this is a room. And then after finish this, maybe he can do another part of the house. He can do one of part of the house. This one.
Adwang kwarto ang pong kain, ang po karela ne.
Tara, manol dun. Okay, Linong King.
Agur, ba? Agur. Agamo. Video mo. Agur. 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 Agur.
That's one crazy girl. You get it. You have a right papaya. Look. Look. Take it. Take it, that papaya. Faster, Cecil. That crazy girl. Kunan muna. Lagwa. Hindi kaya yabot. Tiktikad ka. Tara na. Look, the papaya is right now. It's right now. Tara ka ng tayo. Kunan me, get the one. Get the one. Agur.
Sa'yo mo na yung video ko ngayon.
Agur, gur, 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 gur. Agur. Agur. Agur.
Agur.
Agur. Agur. Agur. Agur. Agur. Agur. Agur. Black you put the black surrounding, and then after at the top, do at the top. After finish this black surrounding at the top, you do at the top of slab. Here, look. You can above the sky. Above the sky, the footing of the iron bar. Look. Tomorrow, pull it. That cement. 2 cement. Use. Anong? 2 cement. Tomorrow, you put 1 cement again. Oh, look. The iron bar. Oh. Above the sky. It's okay. Tomorrow, I mean to say, he work another like that. He do doing like that tomorrow. 1 footing finish, and tomorrow again 1 iron bar footing, and make a dip like that.